Hey everyone, Tom and Jordan here. So I got Laresar Elite 7 and the Elite 3. We're going to compare the Elite 7 to the Elite 3. It looks like the Elite 3 is larger. All right, so you can see the size that it's a little bit small. It's nice to have that little bit larger surface. That's important. But the motor for the Laresar 7 for the Elite 7 is greater than the Elite 3. I wanted the Elite 7 for this piece right here. This was a big deal to me to be able to do my furniture, do the rug. This is my current handheld. And look how small that opening is. Look how much larger this newer opening is. So much larger. All right, so you press the button and it turns on and it stays on. Take this, attach it to the top. Increase the suction. And I can see how much battery power I'm using. All right, see how it does. You can see the stuff already being picked up. Look at that, already. Look at that, already got stuff underneath. I can make it stronger. Let's go make it stronger. Nice. So this is nice, I like this. The balance feels good. All right, so this is just from one part of the stairs. All right. All right, look at all that content in there already. Yeah, empty the contents from that stairs. Just, there you go, already hit. That was easy. Press the button, take that out, put that in. Nice. Okay. Look at this. Look at all the content I'm getting from just that little bit on the stairs. Alrighty. Look at all that stuff. That's from that little bit of stairs. Whew, quite a bit. Alrighty. Right there. So just put that down. Got my filter. And it's in there too. It goes in nice and tight. Nice. And I like that I have two of them. So I got two. That's a good thing. All right. And looks like to just attach it in here, just kind of with that and locks in, okay? So press this down and it comes out. Pretty simple. Nice. So this is all ready to go, charged and ready to go. Now, I don't see the charge until I turn it on. So I can see 49% of the battery left though. That's kind of nice. Here's our extension tube. Okay, cool. You can change how you want it to go. Kind of cool. Let's see how this works. Put that in. And I like the brushes too. Let's try it on our kitty cat pose, shall we? All right. And I'm doing the high here. There you go. So this is nice. I can use this on the kitty cat pose. Or I can use it here on my rail and get all that dust quickly and easily. That's nice, cool. And nice suction there, look at that. Wow. Look at that, all that stuff there. Pick that up. All right, so just from that little bit, look at that. All that, just from that small little bit just now. Empty that. Nice. The balance feels good. Nice big nozzle, that's nice. Let's try this on the stairs too. Let's see how that works. Ready? I can feel the suction. And it seems to be working. It's just a smaller area to pick up. But it's doing the job. And look at all that. And now we're ready to go. Nice and swivelly. Like that swivelly. Look at all that. Look, there's a cookie. And all kinds of food. It's a little bit top heavy at the top, but not a big deal. And I kind of like that. I can just do that. That's nice. I can do that quickly and easily. And just get all my stuff. I like how I can just do that. Come in here and just kind of quickly you know, it's a little bit heavy on the wrist as I'm doing it, but it does the job. It's working. And that's at low power right there. Getting all that stuff. Alrighty here, let's see what I've got. And here's all my content. Empty it out. So take that off for the moment. And empty it out. Look at all that. Nice. So this is the Laresar Elite 3 that we're looking at here. And let's go ahead and pop this thing off. So we have our HEPA filter here. Nice. Looks like that's your suction right there. Okay. Got that on. This feels weird in my hand. The weight of it, because it's here, a lot of stress on my wrist is what I'm finding. So you probably want to put your hand underneath to rest it. Okay. In fact, that's how it looks like it's designed. Okay. Empty that out. And we can see our readings. Nice. I only have 3 primary components here. You have your nozzle. You have this thing here, which is, you know, it is what it is. And then you have your floor part. Let's see how it does on the stairs. Okay, oh, I can feel that power. I can feel that suction. Nice. Again, this feels weird because of the way it's designed, because it's, we'll say, linear as it is for my hand. Not the most comfortable as I'm doing this. Yeah, I don't think I like this one as much myself, but there you go. We can see the content here. So there you go. We've got a nice little bit of content, a little bit of fuzz there from the stairs. There you go. Simple enough. Let's try the rug part. It's very easy to attach to parts. So you do each stair like this. See? Quick and easy. That's not that bad, I guess. It's big enough. It covers the whole stair. Look at that. Okay. Look at all that. Wow. Okay. And the stuff is stuck in there. All right. There it is. Out. As I'm rolling it back and forth, this actually feels nice. So this isn't bad. Even though I was saying that this is heavy, using it as the vacuum broom, yeah, you know what? Actually, this is not bad at all. I like that. I love that I can just quickly go in and out of spaces. So that's really cool. That's good. And easily vacuum. Pretty cool. Awesome. And look, that's how much I've got from all that just now. So I like both the Elite 3 and the Elite 7 by Laresar. What I like about the Elite 3 is it's larger. It does seem like it does a better job picking up. It just seems more comfortable. If you look at the wheels on the Elite 7, we got tiny little wheels here, right? Where on the Elite 3, the wheels are nice and large, and they're a little bit nicer. Yeah, they're just a lot nicer. So I like that. Notice big difference. So the Elite 3 wins as far as comfort goes on the floor. Although the Elite 7 has a more powerful motor. It's lighter, actually. And the good news is, if you decide to buy both, which isn't a bad idea, if you buy both, look, it's interchangeable. So I could keep the Elite 3 and the 7, and there you go. Look at that. It's working. So I could keep both, and at this price point, these are only $150. You might see it for a little bit more, but still, the advantage of keeping 2 of them is one for each floor if you wanted, depending on how big your house is. But I do like this roller for the Elite 3. It's really nice and big, very comfortable. And you take this larger roller, pair it with the Elite 7 motor here. This is definitely a much better combination in my opinion. So much so that I might keep both, just so that I can keep this combination going. Let's see here. Make that longer. And now I can telescope in and pick up all my stuff behind the sofa there. And I love how it's easy to go back and forth. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's great. So that helps. So no longer do I have to move my sofa out of the way. I can just easily move around and get all the stuff quickly and easily. I like that. So this is the Elite 3 that I'm holding. No, this is the Elite 7 I've got here, paired with the Elite 3 parts. My advice to you, Laresar, give me the larger floor cleaner with the better motor. Do that and I'll be happy. So which one do you like better, guys? The Laresar Elite 7 or Elite 3? Let me know. I got direct links for you below. Let me know. I'm Tom and Joe, and please like and comment below. And I'll see y'all next time.